explain working of vacuum circuit breaker. So a vacuum circuit breaker, that is VCB, interrupts the current by separating its contacts in vacuum. The vacuum acts as the arc quenching medium since it has the highest insulating strength and contains no gas molecules to sustain an arc. In normal healthy condition, both the contacts are closed, allowing the current to flow through the breaker. The fixed contact and moving contact are in touch inside the vacuum interrupter. The current passes with negligible contact resistance only. Now when a fault, that is a short circuit or overload fault, occurs, the protective relay sends a trip signal to the operating mechanism of the vacuum circuit breaker. The operating mechanism, either spring operated or magnetic actuator, moves the operating rod to separate the contacts. So the moving member is isolated from the fixed member now by the tripping mechanism. Now as the contacts start separating, the metallic vapors and electrons emitted from the contacts from a plasma and a vacuum arc is established in between them. The arc current continues to flow through the plasma column, that the in between the value of the fixed contact and moving contact, a space of without air or the separation space or the gap available is termed as plasma column. Now the contact material, usually copper chromium alloy, produces fewer metal vapors and the arc remains contracted and short-lived. Now when the current passes through the natural zero in AC systems, the number of charged particles drops suddenly. Because there are no gas molecules in the vacuum to ionize the arc again, the arc cannot restrike. The metal vapors condense quickly on the arc shield and contacts, restoring the vacuum's dielectric strength up to the 1000 of volts in microseconds. Less separation of contacts is required as the dielectric strength of the vacuum is very high. Thus, the arc extinguishes completely at the first current zero interruption. After the arc extinction, the vacuum gap between the contacts immediately regains its full dielectric strength. No reignition occurs even if the voltage recovers rapidly across the contacts. The fault current is interrupted successfully. So this is how the vacuum circuit breaker works to interrupt the fault current.